Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, and it's that time of the month. Of course, it's the giveaway day. So I chose 8 paintings that I'm gonna give away to that these people can choose, whoever I pull out of the hat. And I'm gonna show you up close. So it's this one, the one with the feather things. This is number 1. I'm gonna number them, so that's easy, because the people that I pick out of the hat, they can just tell me which number they like. So this is number 1. Then I chose for something really bright and pretty. This is number 2. As you can see here, this number is nothing because that's just on the canvas. This is number 2. Then I have this one. Made this one last weekend. So it depends on which ones you pick, but some will have to still cure 1 or 2 weeks. I have to varnish them, and they will look something like this. This is the varnish layer, as you can see. No brush strokes, nice and smooth. But this is number 3. Then this one is from a weekend before that. This is number 4. Very pretty pour. Then from a while back we did this one where I pulled all those little things, which I kind of really like. This one is number 5. This number. Then I have the one I did after that with the little stripies. This is number 6. Then I have this one, little bit of glitter on top. This is number 7. As you can see, all these canvases have a 3 on it. I think it's for the factory that makes them. I don't know, but this is number 7. And last but not least, this one is already ready to go. Only thing I have to do is put my name on it. I see that, and then varnish it again because I forgot to put my name on it. But it's really a cute little canvas. This is number 8. And they don't come with these little things in the corner, as you can see. So because the smaller it goes, there's not that much chance that it's going to sag in the middle. They usually don't do that in this size. This is 15 by 15 centimeters. They all are. And I was thinking, because it's a nice little thing to hang somewhere, you know, just in the hallway or on the toilet. I don't know where you want to hang it, but you know, it's not something that you'd hang in your living room, I don't think. It's just a little accent piece. So these are the 8 pieces I'm going to be giving away. 2 of them, so you can choose. Now, got the old cowboy hat again. I so love my cowboy hat, but you can't wear one down here in Holland, because you'd be, you know, they would laugh at you, make fun of you. I told you that before, I think, because I had this guy that went to America. He was so overpowered by everything American that he bought himself a cowboy hat, and he came to work with it once, and everyone laughed at him. That's sort of sad, because it was a really cute guy. Doesn't work there anymore, but I still remember him. Okay. Now, I'm going to put all the names in. So there you all go. And I'm going to show you who's in the hat. Let me get my page. These people are in the hat. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. You can pause and check if you're on there. If you are not and you have sponsored my channel, please let me know, because then I will put you on next month if I skipped you. So thank you for that. Now, where's my little towel? Because we don't want no peeking in here. So there we go. And we will put a hand in here, and I will go winky, winky, winky. And I'm going to feel if I have one. Yes, I do. This one, and this is number 1. So you get to choose first. and I'm going to send you an email, but this is important. I email the email that is connected to the PayPal. And if that is not an email address that you use anymore, you'll have to email me. Okay? But I'm going to send an email to the email that is connected to this PayPal account. Okay, number 2. There we go. Hand in. Turning and turning. Feeling if I have one. Yes, I do. And this is James Roll. And you know, guys, that I always abbreviate the last name. So if your name is looking something like this, it's you. Again, I'll email the email that is attached to the PayPal. If you don't get an email, if you don't have that email anymore, who knows, just email me. And I'll give you my email address that you can email me at. Let me get a pen. That is Ridderhof Art. Yes, at Ziggo.nl for Holland. So that's it. And I know all the funny things that people have done with that. I've done it myself. Ridderhof farts. I know, it's funny. But I'm over it. Okay. No, that was an evil laugh. Okay, guys. This is it. I'm going to send the emails later on today. Then I'll just wait for the first one. And that is my granddaughter's something. I know there's something more behind that, but this person can choose the first one, and then I'll email James Roll, and he can choose the second one. Okay, thanks for that. Let me get that out of the way. Put that away. Okay, guys. What's coming up today? I'm going to answer a lot of questions I got on the YouTube channel, because I'm getting really a lot of questions about just beginner stuff, really easy things. And I thought I would stick the basic video behind this video, but I'm not sure if everyone sees that. So I'm going to ask you guys to do something for me. So, you know, if you feel like it, you don't have to. But I'm going to do, there is something that they called end cards in YouTube, and I've been using them for a while to put my some really fun videos behind a video, but I'm not sure if everyone can see those end cards. So I'm going to be asking you to watch a bit of this video. You already have, of course, because otherwise you won't hear me talking. Oh boy, that's going to be one of those days. So then if you do see the clickable video little postage stamp thing that you can click on and goes to another video, please just let me know by putting it in the comments, saying something like, saw the end video, saw the clickable link, and that's it. So, or just clickable link, okay, or something like that, really short, because I want to make sure that everyone can get that. So behind this video, I'm going to be putting the basic video, the one where I explain about every single medium, every single thing you can do with pouring, and I'm going to stick that behind this one. And I might do that through the whole weekend so people can get access to that. I know that some people don't know how to search a channel on YouTube, which is not that easy if you're using a tablet or a mobile phone. It is when you're using a computer, but not when you're using other devices. Sometimes you don't know where you can search that front channel page. I've also made playlists. I have now playlists of 100 videos at a time. So for people that, you know, do workshops or whatever, you could put that on and just, you know, make it go the whole day. You can just, it cycles right through all those videos. so it's kind of fun to have in the background. I even do that at work sometimes. Yes, I know. Shouldn't be doing that, but I do. We have televisions all over the place, and sometimes I just pop on a playlist and then they see my paintings the whole day through. Yes, sorry, I do. Okay. What else am I up to? We are doing a really big cleanup of the studio because I want to be thinking about doing some more workshops this year, and I'm doing all my paintings, everything that I just think, nah, just a little bit, nah. I'm putting them in a box, and they're going to be put in storage, and all the other paintings that I think, ooh, I like that painting, I'm going to be cleaning, varnishing, and I'm going to make a gallery page on my website. And of course, a lot of people don't know my website. So it is www.blazingcolors.eu for Europe. So that's it. And I'm going to be making a gallery page, and then slowly I'm going to fill that with paintings that are ready to go. And the price will be including the shipping, so there's no additional costs. It'll just be the painting, one price, that's it, and I'll send it. Of course, some countries, I don't know what they do with the customs or whatever they do. I can't be held responsible for the customs. That's just a little disclaimer I will put beneath the paintings. But what I know is that an artist can send the painting to a customer, and the customer doesn't have to pay anything, but I'm not sure if that is in every single country in the world. I know America, Canada, Europe, well, I know a lot of countries. I even checked Hawaii, Australia, New Zealand, a lot of countries, but there might be some countries, exceptions that don't do that, so I'm not sure about that. Now, the other thing I'm going to do today, and I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for that, I'm going to do a really huge pour like this, like I did last weekend, out of the containers. So this is going to be really big. So I have to do a different setup. I'm going to put a camera on a tripod, and I don't think you're going to be hearing me talk much because I'll be far away from the camera because of the size of the canvas. I'll be doing it on the ground. I'll cover everything in plastic and then make sure that you can absolutely see how I pour and how I tilt and how I do everything. But that's going to be huge today. So that's what I'm going to do. But I still have to really mix up all that paint, and that's a lot of paint that I need for that. I do 150 milliliters for 20 by 20 centimeters. So this is 40 by 120. That is 2, and then let's see how much, 6 times 2, that's 12 times 150 milliliters. That's a lot of paint. 12 times 150. I think I'll cut it down to 1.5 liters. Yeah, that might be better, because I don't think, I don't need that. When I do a 150 milliliter, I always have a little bit left over because I always pour on the safe side. So if I don't like a piece, I can pour a little bit more on top. But I think 1.5 will be more than enough. So we'll just do that. So lots of stuff coming up, guys, and I'm really looking forward to it. Oh, and I want to show you one more thing. Now this is the wooden thing that I haven't finished yet. Because I want some resin on top, and I do have to clean it a little bit. I see here a couple of marks I don't like, so I'll have to take that off. But this is going to be really really nice, because all this what you see here and there and over, that's all glittery, beautiful metallic kind of stuff, and that really comes to life when you put resin on top. So I'll be ready in a flash, and I will show you all the stuff I'm gonna do today. So thanks all for watching. I'm gonna pop this one on YouTube first before I start mixing my paint, and I'm very excited to do a whole weekend of pouring again. Okie dokie, love you all to pieces, liebe euch alle, hou voor jullie allemaal, see you in the next video.